We will understand how to import data from Google Sheets to Snowflake. We will use a tool called Airbyte to do that. So, welcome to the presentation. It will be a short presentation of about 17 slides. So, I hope you keep up. So, the data that is to be you can say replicated or synced is already created in Google Sheets. So we don't have to create it from scratch, and the goal is to create a connection via Airbyte, where the source is of course the Google Sheet tab and the destination is Snowflake table, and we should be able to sync it regularly. So this is the you know problem statement. So let's get on with it. So first of all, to do that, we have to make account in Snowflake as well as in Airbyte. So when we create an account for the first time, so usually we get a free trial. For Airbyte is it's about I think if I'm right, it's about 14 days, and for Snowflake it's about 28 days. After the accounts are created, then we create a connection that we want to make. For the Google Sheet source, we just as seen here, you can just type in Google Sheet as the source name, and it will the connection will pop up. And to set it up, we first have to authenticate via our Google account, and then we have to give the spreadsheet link. We can also do some updates on the row batch size according to our need. So the recommended batch size is written here. So normally the 200 rows is quite good, so I have not changed it. And I have also not changed the column names to SQL compliant format, because the since we have to only just upload the destination is not a SQL table. So basically that's why. After the linking is done, we have to link the the destination when the source table is done, then we have to link the destination table. So we have to set up the Airbyte, you know the we have to open Snowflake first, and the set up the database and the schema, etc., from Snowflake, using Snowflake, sorry. So if you read the setup guide, so every step by step instruction is given here, so you just have to follow it. And after it's done, we have to just enter all the information regarding the role, warehouse, database, etc. So so when that's done, the we have to select the which tab we have to choose. We can choose multiple tabs as well, but for you know for easier purposes, I have chosen to uh, choose only this tab. And when I chose this tab, the primary key was not selected. So since I know what this table is, the primary key is here, the package ID, because it contains a list of all the packages. So a particular user can take multiple packages, but the package ID is the primary key. So that's why I've selected that. After that, you have to when creating a you know the warehouse and schema and databases, you just have to you know write this SQL sheet, write this sheet, and put the user ID password according to our need, and then run it, run all the cells. After that is done, we nearly have completed. So basically you have to you know choose out of these which sync you want. So for this was already pre-selected, so I have decided to go with this only. And then the sync will start. So it can depending upon the volume of the table, it will take some time to sync it, and after it is done, it will be shown as sync successful. So if we go to Snowflake also, then you can see the table has been created. This is the table definition which is showing. And if we see the columns also, you can see the all the 44 columns in this table have been synced with Snowflake, and you can see the data preview as well. So everything in the data has been successfully synced. And after that, there was a option in the dashboard to show the table in the dashboard as well, in the Snowflake dashboard. So I tried that using a Python worksheet. So I just did df dot show and return df. So when I run this, the result is showing as the entire table. So basically, if we see the dashboard as well now, you can see that the entire table is showing in the dashboard. And when I think that's it. That's it. What we wanted to do. So before closing, I just noticed that you know the warehouse is was still running. So for the peace of mind, I just suspended the running of the warehouse, so that I can't be billed unnecessarily. And in the Airbyte, as you can see, this one connection is healthy, and the frequency I have set to manual, so I'll just refresh it whenever I want, and it's enabled. So if I don't want it enabled, I'll just toggle this option, and it will be disabled. And that's it. So it's quite easy. I did it in around, to set it up, it took around 2 to 3 hours maximum. So thank you. That's it. Thanks a lot.